Hello everybody. We're fishing out here at Saddle Creek with our friend Chris again today. It's going to be a short video due to we only caught 2 bass. Actually, Francis caught 2 bass.
Lucky one.
Nobody else caught anything. Now, I had 3 hits on a bubblegum worm, so I do know they will bite them. I wanted to catch one so bad so I could say, well, I caught one a bubblegum worm because I haven't used them before. But I know one of them was a big one, so I knew they will bite them. But didn't catch anything. Chris had a few hits. He didn't catch anything, but it's normal trees like he usually does. So I didn't film him today. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. There'll be better videos to come.
Please subscribe. There's the bell. Click on that.
And there'll be better videos to come. So thanks for viewing the channel. Thanks for subscribing. And like I said, if you haven't already, please do. There'll be better ones to come. Y'all have a good day, and thank y'all.
See you on the next tight line. See you soon.
I can't get you catching them because you didn't tell me quick enough. I didn't put the thing on here.
Swallowed it too, buddy.
Francis has caught the first fish in the morning, but Chris is taking it off. But
Can you swallow it, Curtis?
Can you get it out, Chris?
If he'll quit all that, maybe.
Curtis, can you help him?
If not, I don't even know if I got pliers in my box or not.
No.
So I gotta mark my spot right there.
Wrapped all around.
Yeah, you got to lose your hook and leave it in him, Francis.
Yeah, if we take it out.
That one's way down in his
Throat and wrap it around.
throat and gills, way down there. You got to get you a new. You keep your worm.
Grab the weight in the worm. I don't want to lose it.
Put him in. He's bleeding. They get him in there quick. I can't get it. He's going.
Another one swallowed.
I gave you some little slack.
I had a hit back there, but Francis is skunking us all this morning.
That's the biggest one?
Yeah.
Biggest one today, yeah.
Where are those pliers right there, Francis?
I'm sorry, Chris.
You're alright.
I mean to do it to you, Chris.
But
Watch out. Put my hand right here, Chris.
bass are just hungry this morning. I guess they're swallowing it. This is just good as tender rock if you get the right day. They're in here. They come right out of him. Good. Oh. You got to bring him over this way, Francis. I can't get him.
Yeah. Big old sniff.
Turn him loose.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Put it over here, Curtis.
Oh, okay. There he went.